Shanghai by way of Memphis, Tennessee, in West Columbia. With environmentally safe packaging. Like we care about that. Alright. Yes. Almost had it. Here we go.
Put your arms in the way.
Oh, well, we can just do like.
Okay.
Ooh. And then make that little shucker right there. What have I got here? What we expect to get. It even smells new.
Like a car.
Like a car. Ooh, it felt at the top. I didn't know that. Hello. Goodbye. What everybody comes for. We'll come back on that. Maybe. Okay. Everything? I think so. Probably so. Yes. That's everything. Alright, then how does this go? Let's see. Must be a pull tab right about there. And that's it. Where's the what help I can right in? There we go.
Always with the leaf pointing at you. Ooh. Very nice.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. We'll do set up in a little bit.